This Rocky Road candy is a tried and true vintage recipe that will quickly become a holiday favorite and easily made at home. Made with just a handful of simple ingredients, this sweet treat is great for a holiday party or any gathering. Hi friends, welcome. Today we're going to be making Rocky Road candy in a crock pot. Very simple and very easy to make, and most of all, very delicious. So let's get started. Okay, I have all my ingredients here and I will list them in the description below. Here we have our crock pot and I sprayed it with a non-stick cooking spray. Now I've got 1 bowl of chopped pecans. And now I'm adding a half a pack of almond bark, so about 6 squares. Next, I got a whole bag of semi-sweet chocolates. And then we're going to use a whole bag of dark chocolates. And this is optional, but I'm adding 1 cup of coconut. And we're going to cover, set it on low, and let it cook for an hour. Okay, I stirred halfway through, and now it's been an hour. And it looks good, so I think it's time to add the marshmallows. I'm going to add 2 cups of marshmallows. Looks yummy. Okay, we're ready to scoop. I use little cupcake papers and a cookie scoop. And just start scooping away. And now we're going to add some sanding sugar. I have some winter sprinkles here, and just sprinkle them all over. And then we'll put these in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours, and we'll bring them out for our taste test. Here we have our classic Rocky Road candy, a delicious treat for all. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.